Hi, I'm John, a support engineer with strongDM. Today we're going over the strongDM Docker Gateway installation. First, we'll navigate to strongdm.com/docs. Then we'll select Install Your Gateway, then Docker Gateways. We'll leave this page open for some commands we'll need later. Next, we'll open app.strongdm.com. We'll click on the Gateways tab. Next, we'll select Add Gateway. Here, you can enter the name you want to give your gateway, IP or host name that the gateway host can be reached on, and the port. By default, it's set to 5000. Now click Create. This will generate a unique key to this gateway. Make sure to copy it, and you'll want to keep it somewhere secure. Now, we'll swap over to terminal and SSH into that server. Once you've connected, you'll want to run the docker pull command. Next, we'll run the following command, making sure to add in your relay token from earlier. We can remove the net equals host option unless your database is known as localhost. Now your gateway is set up. Return to the admin panel and you'll see the gateway has come online. Thanks for joining us today, and if you have any issues, feel free to reach out to us at support@strongdm.com.